The San Francisco man who prosecutors say entered a Richmond district synagogue earlier this month pulled out a replica gun and then began firing what turned out to be blanks. Faces a variety of charges, including obstructing the exercise of religion with a hate crime enhancement.
And now the city attorney's office is trying to get a court order. They want to prevent Dmitry Mishin from owning or possessing guns or ammunition for up to 5 years. KRON 4's Dan Kerman explains.
When Dmitry Mishin was criminally charged with obstructing the exercise of religion for entering a Richmond district synagogue and firing blanks with a replica gun, prosecutors called it a hate crime. Court documents indicate at the time of his arrest, police seized over 300 rounds of ammunition, a rifle, a replica handgun, and a broken rifle. A gun violence restraining order was issued on an emergency basis, allowing police to remove those items. But now the city is going to court to prevent Mishin from owning or possessing these firearms for a longer period of time.
Gun violence restraining orders are civil restraining orders that can be used to remove firearms from individuals who are at risk of harming themselves or others. It's a tool that we can use to prevent a person from possessing or purchasing a firearm for up to 5 years.
San Francisco City Attorney David Chu says gun violence restraining orders have been effective tools in reducing gun violence, and his office plans to ramp up efforts to use this tool with the public's help.
We want to take this opportunity to encourage the public who may be in contact with someone who has firearms and is a danger to themselves or others to reach out to us, to report the behavior to the San Francisco Police Department, who we are working closely to move forward on GVROs.
Court documents indicate prior to the incident at the synagogue, Mishin has been arrested but not convicted of several allegations, including stabbing someone, committing sexual battery, throwing an axe at someone, and domestic violence. Court documents say he was also detained for allegedly bringing a .22 caliber rifle and ammunition to a public park.
Mr. Mishin is a textbook example of someone who is a danger to the community, who shouldn't have access to a firearm, and this is why we have gone to the court to ask the court to remove the firearms in his possession.
A hearing on the gun violence restraining order is scheduled for March 16th. In San Francisco, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.